I'd like to interpret the constant c in the process of integration. In simple words, integration is the reverse process of differentiation. I have a number of parabolas over here, each starting with x squared. All of them have a general expression of y is equal to x squared plus c. As you can see, all of these parabolas can be shifted up or down vertically, and they will all have exactly the same slope in the same point, at the same point on the x value. That means that they've got the same derivative, and we can show that. If we find the derivative of y, where y is equal to x squared plus 3, get an answer of 2x. Similarly, if we do the same thing for d over dx, x squared plus 2 will get similarly 2 to the x, and so on. So what exactly is the difference between these equations? Well, this one's added to 3, this one's added to 2, this one's added to 0, and this one has a take 2. In other words, if we use a general formula, such as x squared plus c, where we change that into a c, we should still get the differentiation to be 2x. And as you can see, all of these functions have a differentiation of 2x. Each one is different, they have a different constant, and yet when we differentiate them, they all end up being 2x. The result is that every single function has exactly the same slope, which is 2x, that straight line that's coming down over here. Now, differentiation is used to break down the function into parts, and of course integration is used to unite those parts to form the original function. So if we went to form the original function, we could do anti-differentiation, or in other words, integration. They're both the same words, although they have a slight difference in meaning, but that doesn't matter at this point. So if y by differentiation will give you dy dx, then going the opposite way will be integration or anti-differentiation. And this will result in giving me back the original y function. And if that is so, by the rules of integration, let's take 2x and let's integrate it or anti-differentiate it with respect to dx, and we will come with the value of, doing integration, x squared 2 over 2, cancelling this down, we'll get x squared. Okay, the answer I get is x squared, but I want to know which function or equation does it actually come from. Could it be x squared plus 3, or could it be x squared plus 2, or x squared just x squared, or x squared take away 2? We don't. That's why we need to specify with the value c here that what we mean is we need to add an extra c to it in yellow to say that there is a constant there. We don't know which equation it is. So whenever we integrate, we need to add this constant c, and this is known as the indefinite integral, as opposed to the definite integral, which we will deal with later.